Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine. This prevents shorts and preserves data. Once done, remove the chassis panel or access hatch so you can reach the M2 area. Make sure to wear an anti-static strap or ground yourself. Static kills NAND. Use a small tray for screws and label any cables you detach. You want visibility and organization. If you're working on a laptop, detach the battery or follow manufacturer guidance before probing internal connectors or applying torque. Next, locate the Ssd heatsink and remove its fasteners. Some use screws, others clips, so proceed slowly. Once screws are loosened, lift the heatsink straight up. Thermal pads can stick, so peel slowly to avoid tearing them. If there's a spring or standoff, release one side at a time so the drive doesn't pop. Take clear photos showing pad alignment and screw order. You'll need them to reseat the pad and ensure even pressure later. Keep screws in order to prevent using wrong lengths. Finally, remove the M2 retention screw, lift the Ssd at about a 30 degrees angle and slide it out. Inspect and clean thermal pads with isopropyl alcohol. Replace any damaged pad with matching thickness to maintain heat transfer. When reinstalling, slide Ssd into the slot, lower to standoff, and secure with the correct screw. Do not over-tighten. Once the heatsink is back, test boot. If the drive doesn't appear, check screw length, pad debris, and that the connector is fully seated. Those fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.